Good day sa'yo! It's been a while since I last performed on stage. Then suddenly, competing in ModCon 2025 for this year's Mod Idol. In front of a huge crowd. Ay, terrifying talaga. Being named a finalist. Happy, surprised, pressured. But syempre, dahil optimistic tayo, we are turning the pressure into family memories. So, let me take you behind the scenes from the family staycation to the stage and everything in between.
And the winner!
Staycation nga kami for 2 nights. O, diba? 2 nights. Pero ang daming dala pang 1 linggo. Ayan, waiting na rin kami sa InDrive na dumating kasi ang biyahe namin is from Santa Maria, Bulacan to Newport Boulevard sa Pasay. The name is Sarasota. Sa Marriott Hotel kasi gaganapin yung My Outdesk event. So, dito na lang din ako nag-book malapit sa Marriott. This is our 3rd year booking here. Every time may ModCon. Pero, first time namin mag 2 nights because aatan kami ng family event in the morning which is around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. So, para hindi kami mahirapan mag-travel, nag-book na kami day before the event. Walking distance lang to sa Marriott Hotel. Ayan, syempre ang grandma di papahuli sa pag-video pang content niya. This is a 1-bedroom unit for 3,200 pesos per night. So, meron na rin dining, kitchen, may ref, may lutuan. Sa 3 years na pag-book namin sa kanila, so far, ito yung pinakamagandang unit. Thank you po! So, this is the room. May sofa bed din sa labas and may sarili na ring bathroom. Ayan na ang mga batuta, naghaharutan na naman. Gabi-gabi yan sila ganyan, pero at least now, nasa ibang lugar naman sila at makakapag-enjoy. After dinner, nag-aya na nga si Kuya Klaus na bumili ng snack. Hello! Grabe, na-miss namin mag-SB. Wala kasi ito sa probinsya namin eh. Wow! Hindi, seryoso. Di siya abot sa Grab. Out of delivery area eh. Pero at least, may nabibilhan naman kaming mga kakapehan doon. And lately nga, lagi naman akong ginagawa ng no sugar coffee ni hubby. Wow! So ayan, if you can see, yan yung grand ballroom ng Marriott Hotel. Kung saan gaganapin yung event and walking distance lang talaga, may isang kanto lang siya sa Sarasota. Going back to the hotel, kay Baby Clean na iniwan kay Grandma. Oh, pakingiting may Starbucks. Nakatulog na nga si Grandma at si Kuya Klaus, pero si Baby Clean gising pa din. Graveyard talaga yan siya, sumasabay sa parents niya. So, dyan muna siya kay daddy niya. Nagbanding muna sila habang ako ay mananahi ng gown ko. This is from Shein. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Gustong gusto ko dito yung cape niya kasi nga yung tema is enchanted. Kaya lang for me, masyadong plain yung tube gown niya. That is why, bumili ako ng sequins na ganito and then ako na magtatahi. Eto naman yung earrings. Hindi ko na ginamit yung necklace kasi naka-choker naman yung cape. These are my hair accessories naman. And my shoes. Yes, Shein from head to toe tayo for the Mod Idol 2025. Here's my bag from the Blue app. And then while waiting, ayaw natin malamgan. So, and para may surprise factor yung cake, magbe-blazer muna tayo from the Orange app naman. At ayan na yung upper part ng tube. Wow! Kinaumagahan, family day event na. Ayan ang gulo ng buhok niya kasi pinagsombrero dahil umambon. Maraming mga fun areas for kids this year. And ayan si Kuya Klaus, dali-dali yan nagpunta doon sa inflatable slides. And yun yung reason kaya umattend kami ng family event for the first time. Dahil alam ko mag-enjoy siya. So nakuha na namin ang aming stubs and wristband ticket. Ayan na, ang babing namuyat. Binihisan lang yan siya habang tulog. Tapos binuhat. Puyat pa more, bibi ko. Aawit pa naman ang mami mo. While waiting for Kuya Klaus na very busy playing, kasama si Grandma, heto kami ni Baby Clint, tumambay sa tapat ng mga kukuhanan ng pagkain. Nga pala, yung outfit ko today ay planado. If you can see, naka-tube ako ngayon, and then later yung gown ko, tube din. Para easy access tayo. Easy access kay pa-JJ Boy. Ayan, naklaim ko na yung mga snacks namin for the family event. Siyempre, ang Baby Clint di papahuli sa pagkain kahit puyat yan. Food is life. Manang-mana sa mommy. But wait, there's more. Meron pang lunch. Grabe, sobrang daming food and masasarap sila. And cleanin ko na din yung aking mga memorabilias. Maraming ang additional fun stuff ngayon, yung family day. Meron pa yung magic show, yung arcades, and inflatables. Kaya this year, umattend talaga kami and sinama namin si Grandma. Si Grandma kasi last year, nasa hotel lang sila ni Baby Clint. And sa ModCon event lang kami umattend. Nila Daddy Vic and Klaus. Ayan, trinay din ni Kuya Klaus yung pang-baby. Akala ko nga matatakot si Kuya Klaus na mag-slide dito. Kasi mataas yung slide ha. Pero matapang na siya ngayon. Sobrang nag-enjoy siya. Kitang-kita naman. After the event, meron lang kaming sound check. And umuwi na to prepare for the 5 p.m. ModCon event. Siyempre, picture muna with the CEO, Daniel Ramsey. Hi, excited na kinakabahan for later. Meanwhile, at the hotel, sinamahan ni Grandma and Daddy Victor si Kuya Klaus na mag-swimming. Kita niya naman it's raining and kahit sobrang pagod, pinagbigyan na namin yung bata. Kasi last year, may typhoon talaga. Hindi siya nakapag-swim. This time, maulan lang. Swimming is something he looks forward kapag nag-staycation kami. So we planned everything. Binibrief namin siya kung anong mangyayari for the day. And as much as possible, we cannot break it kasi pwedeng mag-cause ng tantrums. Pero I'm very proud na manageable na yung kanyang tantrums. And here I am at 5 p.m. made up. Nauna na ako sa venue and hinatid ako ni Papoy sa venue. And just waited inside the waiting area. Dahil laki naman tayo sa choir and during performances, sanay naman tayo mag-makeup. So ito na yung output ng ating tinahing sequence sa gown kanina. Medyo nagulo lang yung lapat niya. Yung video nga pala ng performance ko naka-upload sa FB ni Grandma, Marilyn Villanueva. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section and isi-share ko din on my next post.
Yung clap na, matatapos na.
And there you have it. Syempre, rakrakan, jamming with Chito Miranda na very nostalgic and nakakabilib dahil sa ulo ko yung mga kanta niya. And of course, the announcement of the winner.
And the winner, and still Juby and Daisy Joy!
Congratulations to this couple, now a 3-time champion duo. Kinabukasan, bago mag-check out, syempre, swimming time.
Jijik pa rin? Jijik pa rin? Jijik pa rin na?
I went into ModCon 2025 nervous and unsure about being Mod Idol finalist. It had been years since I last performed. But walking off that stage, I realized something important. Sometimes the goal isn't to win. It's to come back stronger, braver, and more inspired than before. Sabi ko nga, even though di tayo nanalo, my heart is so full from the random, congrats, ang galing niyo po kanina. You know, those messages that I received. I'm so grateful to have felt the stage jitters again. And most of all, the warmth of the audience's response. Truly a winning experience in itself. The lesson, don't let time, fear, or label stop you from doing what makes your soul alive. Even if it's been years, you'll never know what you're still capable of until you try. To my outdesk, thank you for the opportunity. What a great way to celebrate my 6th year in the company. And to my family, thank you for always being my biggest cheerleaders. So there, blessings.